2-year-old goes missing from yard while having bath. Landscaper murdered while on the job in Linstead. Woman on the run after alleged fatal stabbing of child's father. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A high alert has been activated for 2-year-old Roshan English of Red Ground in Old Harbour, St. Catherine, who has been missing since Wednesday, June 26. Roshan is of dark complexion, slim build, and is about 86 centimeters or 2 feet 10 inches tall. Reports from the Old Harbour Police are that about 5 p.m., Roshan was being given a bath in his yard when his mother went inside a house to fetch some items. When she returned, Roshan was not in the yard and all efforts to find him have failed. Residents and the police have since searched the wider community, however, he has not been found. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Roshan English is asked to contact the Old Harbour Police at 876-203-3659, Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. A 53-year-old landscaper was killed while on the job in Victoria District, Linstead, St. Catherine on Wednesday. He is Fitzroy Angus, otherwise called Bug. The police report stated that about 8:30 a.m., Angus was carrying out landscaping in a yard when he was pounced upon by unknown assailants who shot him repeatedly. A police party which was nearby responded to the explosions. Angus was found in blood, suffering from gunshot wounds at the back of the premises. He was assisted to the Linstead Public Hospital, where he succumbed to his injuries. A woman who allegedly stabbed the father of her child during a dispute leading to his death is now on the run. Dead is 26-year-old LaShawn Parker of St. John's Road, St. Catherine. Reports are that Parker and the mother of his child were having a dispute at his home when she allegedly used a knife to stab him in the upper body. He was reportedly assisted to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. The incident happened on Wednesday, June 26, about 7 p.m. The police stated that the woman fled the scene. An investigation continues. Detectives are urging the suspect to turn herself in at the nearest police station immediately.